Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add plugins in Capcut. So for this you actually need to use Capcut Web. You cannot use the app, okay? So all you need to do is click on create new. Just go ahead and start, in a new canvas. So I'll do 16 by 19 YouTube. And then all you need to do is come here and scroll down once this loads up. And we're just going to wait for this to initialize. If you come down here, we have more options. So keep scrolling down. You see plugins? Go ahead and click on plugins right here. All right. And now from here, we'll be able to add in plugins. So we'll just wait for the plugins to load up. Okay. Just wait for this. So here we go. We can see we have the Epidemic Sound plugin. So you can go ahead and click on that. And then come here, scroll down and click on open. Okay. And this is basically going to start loading up for Epidemic Sound. And then you just go ahead and link your Epidemic account. All right. And then you'll be able to use these sounds on Capcut. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing of that like button as well as subscribing to Appier Solutions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.